What comes to mind when you hear the word robot? Do you picture a shiny metal man on a spaceship in the future? Do you picture a future where robots control everything and enslave humans? Or do you picture large machines in a factory making cars? Regardless of your view on the matter, one thing is certain: robots are here to stay. Don't fret, though, robots will most likely be utilized more for mundane or hazardous tasks than plotting the takeover of the world. In this article, we will examine what robotics is, how robots are sorted into various types, the place of artificial intelligence in robotics, what the future holds for robots, and how robots will revolutionize our daily lives. What is robotics? Robotics is an engineering discipline in which robots are manufactured and utilized. A robot is a computer-programmed machine used to carry out tasks automatically, which are otherwise performed by a human. Robots don't have to resemble human beings, but some of them do. In car factories, for instance, there are robots that are used to construct cars but don't resemble human beings. Androids are robots that resemble human beings. Robots are designed by some to resemble humans so that humans will be more comfortable with them, but not everyone likes it. In fact, some folks find robots resembling humans a bit eerie. Types of robots. Robots are wonderful machines in all forms and sizes that exist to help humans in countless ways. Some of these kinds of robots that we currently have are healthcare. Robots in hospitals assist in surgery, assist patients in walking, and provide basic supplies such as medicine and sheets. Robots even assisted during the pandemic by producing test kits and ventilators. Home life. You might have noticed a Roomba, the robotic floor cleaner. Home robots, however, can do more, such as mowing the grass or assisting intelligent devices like Alexa. Factories. Industrial robots were initially applied in industries. They aid in producing vehicles, welding iron, cutting steel, and also preparing food that will be canned. Logistics. Businesses employ robots in warehouses to stack the shelves, gather the products, and even deliver small packages in a rush. Space exploration. Sojourner and Perseverance robots venture on Mars. Hubble telescope and deep space probes such as Voyager are robots as well. Military. Bots perform dangerous tasks in warfare. For example, the Centaur finds and disposes of bombs, the Mutt carries soldiers' gear, and Sapphire fights shipboard fires. Entertainment. We already have robot toys, statues, and even robot restaurants. They will be more fun to watch and utilize as they improve. Travel. One big example: self-driving cars. Good and bad things about robots. Just like any new technology, robots also have their pros and cons. The following is a summary of the pros and cons of robots. Advantages. They work in hazardous locations. Robots can enter hazardous areas where humans should not, like fighting fires or fixing nuclear power plants. They are cost reducers. Robots cannot take breaks, sick days, or benefits including health insurance. This makes them less expensive over time. They help get more work done. Robots can do dull, repeated jobs without getting tired, so workers can pay attention to more interesting tasks and learn new skills. They provide higher quality. Humans are when they are bored or fatigued, but robots repeat the same task each time without error. Disadvantages. They are expensive to start. Robots are extremely expensive to buy and install to begin with, though they ultimately save money in the long run. They can displace employment. Some workers, like those on a production line, have lost their employment to robots. However, new jobs are formed to serve and keep the robots. They need knowledgeable staff to run them. Companies have to hire people who can write computer programs for, operate, and fix robots, and that incurs businesses' expense. The future of robots. How AI assists robots. Artificial intelligence. AI helps robots work together with human beings, enhances collaboration, and increases quality. Factories have cobots, robots that work together with humans in helping with assembly and testing. AI makes the robots more human-like, and this is the primary reason that they exist. If robots behave and think more human, then they can perform various functions more efficiently and quicker than humans in certain functions. AI provides robots with extraordinary abilities, such as computer vision. Robots can see and recognize objects, understand the details, and learn how to move around without colliding with any objects. Manipulation. AI assists robots in making precise hand movements so that they are able to grasp and hold objects without damaging them. Motion control and navigation. Robots are able to move on their own without the need for any human input. AI assists them in observing what is present and deciding on the best route. Even in software, AI assists them in doing their best without any errors. Natural language processing, NLP, and real-world understanding. AI enables robots to comprehend language, recognize patterns, and see information. This has made them more autonomous and less dependent on humans. What about robot software? Some robots don't have a body, they are just computer programs. These software robots act independently, like web crawlers that scan websites or chatbots that answer questions on the internet. This is in contrast to robotic software, which is the programming within an actual robot that instructs it on what to do. Both of these robots, though, utilize software to function independently without human input. The future of robots and robotics. Robots are becoming intelligent because of better sensors and huge improvements in artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. They are no longer mere machines, they are beginning to think and work together with humans. These technologies are advancing fast, and robots will gain a lot from this. In the future, we will be having more advanced robots working in different areas of our lives. Some people worry that robots will take away jobs, but the past has shown that new technology creates new job opportunities. For instance, though fewer employees will be required to weld cars, more technicians will be required to program, fix, and maintain the robots. Quite a number of companies will even be educating their employees in new skills so that they can find employment in robotics and other emerging industries. Robots of tomorrow, how they will change our world. Robots will aid the economy, boost productivity, and create new jobs worldwide. Yet, in the view of some analysts, robots could replace 20 million jobs in manufacturing, or that 30% of all jobs might be done by machines by 2030. Despite all of this, robots will be assisting us in countless ways. Robots will perform routine and repetitive tasks, make transport simple, advance healthcare, and allow humans to concentrate on learning and enhancing themselves. Time alone will tell us how robots will reshape the future. Conclusion: start your robotics journey. Robots are changing the world by making work simpler and creating new and intriguing career options. There will be a need for more skilled professionals as technology develops to work with AI, machine learning, and